Happy is the man that findeth wisdom. Happy is the man that getteth understanding. For the merchandise of it is better than the merchandise of silver, and the gain thereof than fine gold. Happy is the man that findeth wisdom. Happy is the man that getteth understanding. She is more precious than rubies, and all the things thou canst desire are not to be compared unto her. Happy, happy is the man that findeth wisdom. Oh, happy is the man that getteth understanding. Length of days is in her right hand, and in her left hand riches and honor. Happy is the man that findeth wisdom. Happy is the man that getteth understanding. Her ways are ways of pleasantness, and all her paths are peace. Happy, happy is the man that findeth wisdom. Oh, happy is the man that getteth understanding. She is a tree of life to them that lay hold upon her. Happy is the man that findeth wisdom. Happy is the man that getteth understanding. And happy is everyone that retaineth her. Happy is everyone that retaineth her. Yes, happy is everyone that retaineth her.